in the vast expanse of South Texas. A vision for humanity's future is taking shape, piece by massive piece. In nearby labs, individual components are put through hellish tests, simulating the vacuum, vibrations, and extreme temperatures of a real mission. Outside, under the Texas sun, the sheer scale of the operation becomes even more apparent. Drone shots reveal the sprawling facility, a city dedicated to rocket production. Giant cranes, like mechanical beasts, gracefully lift and stack the booster sections. This is where the rocket truly comes together, ring by ring, until it stands over 120 meters tall. Technicians working on high-altitude lifts carefully place thousands of hexagonal black ceramic tiles onto the windward side of Starship. Once fully assembled, the journey to the launch pad begins. The massive Starship and Super Heavy booster are moved by a specialized transporter, a slow and majestic procession toward their date with destiny. At the orbital launch mount, the vehicle is hoisted into position, a steel giant ready to reach for the heavens. The final days are a flurry of activity. The fueling operation commences as cryogenic liquid methane and liquid oxygen are pumped into the vehicle's tanks. These super-chilled propellants are denser, allowing more to be stored for the immense power required for launch. Teams of engineers and technicians perform the last checks, poring over data, ensuring every system is green for go. Then comes the moment of truth, the launch. The final countdown echoes across the launch site. The engines ignite, a torrent of fire and sound erupting from the base of the booster. The hold-down clamps release, and with a force that shakes the very ground, the most powerful rocket ever built ascends. It climbs slowly at first, then with accelerating purpose, pushing through the atmosphere, a silver needle against the blue sky. What we are witnessing is more than just a rocket launch. It's the culmination of relentless innovation, a testament to what's possible when a team is driven by a singular, audacious goal. From a roll of steel to a starbound vessel, the process is a modern industrial marvel. Each rocket built here is not just a machine, it's a stepping stone carrying the dreams of an entire species on its fiery ascent. The journey to making humanity multiplanetary is long and arduous, but here at Starbase, the future is being built, one rocket at a time.